Hi guys, how we doing? There's not really much going on in the gardening side this week or the past couple of weeks, apart from we're back to the normal Scottish weather. We're used to this, so it doesn't phase us in any way. Anyway, yesterday was not a bad day and I managed to get quite a few things done. Well, to you it would have taken you half an hour, but to me it was like, hard work. Anyway, basically I thought I would give you a wee tour since there's nothing else to do. Down here we've just got the sweet peas, and I think that's pansies that the wife purchased. The raspberry bush that she bought me, bare root, I thought no chance, has actually started to show some green. The fuchsias are greening up. The bluebells done absolutely nothing. More sweet peas on the trees. The trees have, these three have blossomed and then lost their flowers, and we've got some fruit. That's the apple tree, and that's my apple tree that I grew from seed. It's growing but nothing happening. And the comfrey has came up in the past couple of days. This is the herbs that she bought. Lemon balm, curry and mint. They're just put in there just now, just because I've nowhere else for them just now. In here, you'll remember I had a kind of table thing and stuff on top of it. Well, I moved all that. This is my potatoes. These are my ears of potatoes that were in here, and the strawberries have got flowers on them, and the strawberries that were in the pots down there are now in here. I don't know if I can open it and show you. Here we go. They're there just for just now, just to get them out the road somewhere. Next we'll go to the tunnel. Okay, we're in the tunnel. Look at that chard. That's actually going to get cut off today. I'm going to try making chard soup, and I'll put these chards in the ground. Alison lobelia, poached eggs. That's that tansy that's gone desperately needing repotted or potted out. Cauliflower, and these are broccoli. And I made up some beer traps that haven't caught anything yet. And the beetroot is fair coming on. I can see some nice round bits of beetroot that bought me all of that, and my onions and my spring onions. So nothing much changed in here. Well, I brought my beetroot out, my new beetroot. And I think that's about it. The carrots are still coming up nice. Over here, and you can see through the net. I thinned out the turnips a wee bit. I'll probably do more. The lettuce is coming on again. There's a beer trap in there, and there is a slug in there. I can see it here. I put the beer trap in there because my broccoli was getting munched and I couldn't find out where it was coming from. Alfie, move! Sorry about that, he just keeps barking until somebody tells him to shut up. And the lettuce is coming up. And really that's about it. I hope that's the slug that's in there. I hope that's the one that's been eating my broccoli. But that's about us now. Okay, we'll go back inside. Just a wee quick thing. This garlic and this garlic is the same garlic that was planted at the same time. And look at the thickness of that compared to the thickness of that. The only difference is this catches more sun than this does. And that's the only difference, and again, it's more comfy. Okay, we'll go inside now. Okay, now we're in the, I call it grow room. I need to lift these lights up a bit because the beans that I put in, was it last week? I'll get size them. Don't know about to try and get them out into the polytunnel. I'll need to repot them, but I don't know. Probably do that today. These are the new Crimson Crush tomato seeds that I planted about a week ago. Now, I've been doing kale, and I had kale in the low tunnel, and nothing worked. That just wouldn't come up, and I thought the seeds were, seeds were done. So in desperation, before it went, I bought more seeds. I sprinkled quite a lot of them in a seed tray, and I've now got kale, so I don't have to go out and buy more kale seeds. So I'm going to grow these on, and we'll get them done. The French marigolds have all survived the transplanting. Mere kale and baby bok choy, and these are baby pak choy, and they're baby pak choy. I think I'll get them out in the tunnel because they're starting to get very leggy. Again, more French marigolds, the Crimson Crush. The tomatoes I've moved over here, I've put them back on heat, and they're kind of feel a bit more healthier and stronger if I put them on the heat. And I got vermiculite because I got a comment from a subscriber who said use vermiculite on top. So what I've done is I've put vermiculite on 3 and left the rest without, to see if it makes a difference. And they have, that leaf there looks a bit iffy, but the new growth actually looks okay. So I'm just wondering if, the heat maybe, you see, the way the energy prices, the way they are, we're not putting the heating on as much or as high, and I'm wearing a cardigan just now, and that's the way we do it now. Maybe I'm wondering if it's because of the heat that's affecting them, but it's not really that cold in the house, if you know what I mean. Rather than having it at 20, the heating at 21, 22, we turn it down to 20, that was all we done. Still nothing from the ginger. And down here, I have got some more chard, rainbow chard, which is going in. And I thought I would try this. I seen this on YouTube. It's supposed to be a 60-day crop, and it's called broccoli rab. Quick growing shoots like broccoli, but does it taste like broccoli? Or is it just the name? Anyway, it says that I can plant outdoors, thinly feathered to crop. Oh, so you can. Sow outdoors whether to crop directly into fine soil which has already been watered, allow between airline rates. Seedlings usually appear thin out, transplant thinnings if required. So you can actually transplant them. I thought I was going to have to do it straight into the dirt there. February right through to September you can sow these. So anyway, I'm going to give them a try. But did I do them in a seed tray, or did I do them straight outside? I think we'll try both, because there's 500 seeds in each. So I think I'll try both and transplant them. Anyway, that's about us today. That's about as far as we're getting. I can't think the cherry tomatoes are coming on a treat. There's not really much more I can do today. As you can tell, the weather, I did get my grass cut as well. Anyway, that's us for today. Nothing much more to do. So I'll say goodbye. I hope you all keep safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.